Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 more AI image solutions that can be used for different purposes, or if there was restrictions on the other ones. So I found these very good. First is Dream.ai, which will be used you can create different art styles. Stable Fusion Web is excellent. There's over 12 million prompts to choose from. So if you're struggling to work with prompts and get the images that you're looking for, you can work with 12 million that are there. You can edit them, you can use them as they are. And Dale, which is Chat GPT, which actually again has restrictions. I think you're allowed 25 images with that. So let's dig into it and have a look at, first we will have a look at Dream. So Dream, you've got these different art styles here, which I think is very, very cool. So if we've got this long prompt here that I created, basically an optimized sales funnel, AI image generating streamlined sales funnel with dollar signs at every stage, demonstrating how AI can maximize conversion rates and boost revenue. So basically that was a Chat GPT created prompt. I'm going to paste that in here, and you've got all these different styles. So I'm going to go with Majestical, which sounds pretty cool for this. And again, this is free for one image. If you want different variations, I want to do stuff like that, you will have to upgrade. But again, I found it for free. You can simply download and use the images. So we click here, we can see the preview. Obviously, with the free version, you're only going to get small images. But if you want something for sales pages or stuff like that, it's absolutely fine. Again, if you want to create, again, if you don't like that particular image, just click create. It's going to generate a new image. If you want something, for example, all these different styles here, you can just choose it any way you want. Right, so that is Dream.ia. Again, you'll be able to download the slides and be able to copy paste these links. So click them and open up these websites. The next one is Stable Fusion. So Stable Fusion, if we go up here, we've got prompts, which is you got 12 million different prompts to work with, and here you've got the playground where you can come along and generate images. So get started for free and enter your prompt and enter negative prompt. So I'm going to do the exact same again. I'm going to enter this prompt here. I'm going to generate image. As you can see here, it's going to take a few seconds. And after this, I'll show you the prompts that come with this. So completely different images than the other graphics creator. So you can see what works best for your actual, this is actually a pretty cool one for a sales page. What works best for what you're trying to do. So let's just go into here and let's just put in a dog on beach, for example. Click on search. And here you've got all these prompts that people are using. You can learn from them. You can copy them as they are. You can edit them and just say, okay, they've got everything right here, but I want a different image or a different type for a dog or a different background. So I think for Stable Fusion Web, their biggest feature here is definitely the prompt search and just the education you can get from that alone. And finally, we have the Chat GPT Dale. Again, just it's a really cool image generator, but it has restrictions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste in the prompt. And you can see, guys, they're all creating different images all the time. So it's never really an issue in that sense. Okay, excellent. And it's not covered in this video training, but basically free image editor is just two things I used for images. I use Canva, which I have a premium account, but anything you want to do with images can be done for free. But believe it or not, online image editor for the last 10 years, this is the online image editor that I'm using. It's called onlineimageeditor.com. You can choose a file, you can upload it, you can add borders, you can do anything you want. And that's what I've used. And I cancelled my Photoshop, my Adobe account many, many years ago. I just don't have any use for it. And again, I can use this on the go pretty much anywhere I am. So, okay, guys, that's a wrap on that training video. I hope you enjoyed this training course. If you have any questions, of course, drop us into the Facebook group or contact our support. Cheers.